Good evening. Today we are going to talk about pronoun antecedent agreement. First of all, we have to know what we mean by the antecedent. The antecedent means noun that a pronoun refers back to. Why this is very important. In ACT exam, if you want to select the correct answer, a question like that, you have to decide. If you want to select correct pronoun, you have to decide where is its antecedent. If you find antecedent, so you can select the correct pronoun that refers back to this antecedent. Like if you look at this example, the doctor finished her rounds. Why did we use her? Because her here refers back to the doctor, as the doctor is the antecedent for the pronoun. It's singular, that's why we used her. With the phone in its case, why did we use it? Because it refers back to the phone. The phone is the antecedent. Look at this sentence. The students lost their jackets. The word students is the antecedent. True or false? For sure, it's correct because here the students is the antecedent. That's why there refers back to students. Students is plural. That's why we used it there. From here comes the rule. You can have singular antecedent or plural ones. If you have singular antecedent, this means that you are going to use a singular pronoun. Like a student must study his or her notes. Why did we use his or her? Because they refer back to his or her refers back to a student, and a student is singular. Someone left her bag. Why did we use her? Because her here refers back to someone. Someone is the antecedent and it's singular. The cat licked its. Why did we use its? Because the cat here is singular. That's why we use its. On the other hand, if you have a plural antecedent, this means that your pronoun must be plural. Students must study their notes. Why did we use their? Because it refers back to students. Students is the antecedent for the pronoun. Students is plural. That's why we used the there. The cats clicked there. Why did we use there? Because cats here is plural. That's why we use there. Many people lost the there. Why there? Because also we have many people. From here comes this is the rule. Search for the antecedent that the pronoun refers back to. If you find that the antecedent is singular, search for a singular pronoun. If you find that the antecedent is plural, search for the plural pronoun. Thank you and goodbye. Till we meet again in other lessons.